The Boy Plunger, Introduction to Jesse Livermore. Written by Edwin Lefebvre in reminiscences of a stock operator, Jesse Livermore. The name alone evokes images of Wall Street at its most dramatic. Known as the Boy Plunger for his early daring and later as the Great Bear of Wall Street for his ability to predict and profit from market downturns, Livermore's life was a roller coaster of staggering wins and devastating losses. He was a man who seemed to possess an uncanny ability to read the markets, amassing fortunes that dwarfed even the wealthiest tycoons of his era. But his was not a story of unmitigated success. Livermore's life was also marked by personal tragedy and financial ruin, making his story a cautionary tale as much as one of ambition and triumph. A nose for numbers, Livermore's early life. Jesse Livermore was born in 1877, a world away from the bustling trading floors of New York. His beginnings were humble, growing up on a farm in Massachusetts. Formal education held little appeal for the young Livermore, who found solace in the world of numbers. At the age of 14, he left school, his mind set on a different kind of education, one offered by the fast-paced, high-stakes world of finance. He found work as a quotation board boy, scribbling stock prices for a brokerage firm. It was here, surrounded by the constant chatter of numbers and the electric energy of the markets, that Livermore's innate talent began to reveal itself. Bucking the bucket shops, early success and setbacks. Livermore's early ventures into trading took place in bucket shops, establishments that allowed speculation on stock price movements without actual trading on exchanges. These were the training grounds for his unique skills. He quickly developed a reputation for his uncanny ability to predict price fluctuations, earning him the nickname Boy Plunger for his bold bets. His success, however, was met with resistance. Bucket shops, often rigged against their participants, would refuse his bets or outright ban him, fearing his consistent winning streak. This early adversity only fueled Livermore's ambition, pushing him towards the legitimate exchanges of Wall Street. Mastering the tape Livermore's trading strategies. Unlike many of his contemporaries who relied on rumors and insider information, Livermore based his trading on meticulous observation and an almost intuitive understanding of market psychology. He was a master of tape reading, the art of deciphering market trends and sentiment from the flow of stock prices and trading volumes. Livermore believed that prices moved in patterns, reflecting the collective greed and fear of the market participants. His strategy was to identify these patterns, anticipate shifts in sentiment, and capitalize on the resulting price movements. He was known to spend hours studying the tape, immersing himself in the rhythm of the market, looking for his edge. 1907 and 1929, riding the waves of boom and bust. Livermore's name is etched in Wall Street history for his legendary trades during two of the most tumultuous periods in financial history. In 1907, at the age of 30, he famously shorted the market, amassing a fortune estimated at $100 million, which would be billions in today's money, as the panic of 1907 gripped Wall Street. Years later, in 1929, he repeated this feat, again taking a massive short position just before the stock market crash that plunged the world into the Great Depression. His ability to anticipate and profit from these crashes cemented his legacy as a trading titan, a man who seemed to have an almost supernatural grasp of market cycles. The price of success, Livermore's personal struggles. Livermore's life, however, was not a tale of uninterrupted success. His journey was punctuated by periods of significant financial setbacks. He experienced devastating losses, even facing bankruptcy at one point. These setbacks, though difficult, revealed Livermore's resilience. He viewed losses as an inevitable part of the game, opportunities to learn and refine his strategies. However, his personal life was marked by tragedy. He suffered the loss of a son and struggled with depression, a battle that took a heavy toll. His struggles serve as a stark reminder of the personal costs often associated with the relentless pressure and emotional roller coaster of trading.